Well, Memorial Day kicked off the unofficial start of summer, which means travel season has kicked into high gear. Our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker rounds up some travel gadgets you may like.
When you pack your bags or a suitcase for a summer vacation, there are some things to throw in your bag and download to your phone before you pull out of the driveway. Don't count on the hotel having enough outlets. A compact multi-port charger with USB-A and USB-C ports can power phones, tablets, and laptops all at the same time. Look for one with GaN technology. It charges faster and stays cool. A good portable charger is a lifesaver in airports and hotel rooms. Some small ones only give you one full charge, but newer models from Anker and others can recharge phones several times and even power laptops. Bonus points for a built-in or retractable USB-C cable. Most hotels and rentals offer Wi-Fi, but it's not always reliable. A portable travel router gives you more control. You can pre-connect your devices before you leave home, bypass device limits at hotels, and even use your phone's hotspot when Wi-Fi is not available. To avoid the headache of lost luggage, drop an Apple AirTag or Tile Tracker inside your suitcase. If your bag disappears, you'll know where it is, often before the airline does. And don't forget entertainment. Download a few movies, shows, and playlists to your phone or tablet ahead of time so you can watch offline without needing Wi-Fi or data. If you're hitting the road, download offline maps from Google or Apple Maps. You'll still get turn-by-turn directions even if you lose signal in the middle of nowhere. So whether it's a road trip for the weekend or you're traveling overseas, these tech gadgets can save you a lot of stress, a lot of time, and keep you connected every step of the way. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.